फैंटास्टिक्स वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। सो टुडेज सेटिंग इज डिफरेंट क्योंकि हम लोग आज कुछ डिफरेंट करने वाले हैं। हम लोग फाइनली आप लोग की मोस्ट रिक्वेस्टेड वीडियो जो कि है स्लाइम स्मूदी। सो फैंटास्टिक्स हम लोग आज स्लाइम स्मूदी बनाने वाले हैं। एंड जैसे मैंने आपको पूछा था इन माई पोल, सो मोस्ट ऑफ यू गाइस सजेस्टेड कि मैं अपने नॉर्मल यूजुअल वे में ही करूं और पूरा एएसएमआर ना करूं, पर फिर भी जो फैंटास्टिक्स चाहते थे कि मैं पूरा एएसएमआर करूं एंड उसमें कोई भी मतलब बातें ना हो, ओनली स्लाइम हो और एएसएमआर हो. So for them there is also a video in my second channel which is Fantastic Diaries, and if you guys haven't subscribed this or my second channel, please, it would mean the world to me if you subscribe to both of my channels. Then yeah, that's it for the intro, and now let's get started with our slime smoothie. So this is like super easy slime smoothie. I have couple of slimes with me and I am going to mix it. एंड स्टार्टिंग में उनका थोड़ा सा ASMR भी होगा. सो इफ यू गाइज डोंट वांट पूरा ASMR, देन आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू ASMR in here. Like 10 to 15 seconds will be the ASMR, and if you guys only want to see the ASMR and mixing and all that, you guys can see that video in my second channel, Fantastic Diary. So fantastics, without talking much, so let's get started with our slime smoothie. So the first slime which I am going to mix is this clay slime, like this one which we have made from like handmade clay. If you guys haven't watched that, like with DIY clay, so if you guys haven't watched that video is linked here on the I button, so go watch it. As you guys can see, it is super matte slime and very nice slime. So yeah, let's see the ASMR. Our second slime would be the slime which we have recreated. Like this is a jiggly slime and this is the last video I made. So links are in the description and on the I button as well. So this is the slime. Oh my god, I really love this slime. Like this color, and this have beads in the end as you guys can see. So let's see the ASMR. So our third slime would be this cloud slime. Oh my god, this is amazing, and its drizzles is even more amazing. So our next slime would be this jelly slime. Oh my god, this looks even more good each and every day. Like as you guys can see, it is pretty good and I just love this jelly slime. As you guys can see, it's amazing. And yeah, this will be our next slime. So let's have a little bit of ASMR. how to make each and every slime, I will give you the link here on the I button and even in the description, so check it out if you guys want to make these slimes. These are really easy slimes. And yeah, and our last but not the least slime is going to be this glossy jiggly slime. Oh my god, you guys can see this is just amazing. And let me do an ASMR for you guys. So fantastic. Now it is finally the time जब हम लोग हमारी पूरी की पूरी slimes mix करेंगे and एक slime smoothie बनाएंगे. So get ready and now. So let's see and enjoy our slime smoothie. So I am going to take this bowl since हमारी slimes बहुत ज़्यादा हैं and हमें एक बड़ा वाला bowl चाहिए. So that's why. So yeah, let's start adding our slimes. Let's add our second slime. Our third slime. Our fourth slime. Let's add our last slime, which is this gorgeous jiggly slime. So let's add So before mixing the slime, I am going to give you guys 10 seconds. So comment down below which color do you think this slime is going to change. I think it is going to change in pink क्योंकि इसमें बहुत सारा pink है and texture wise I really don't know. I will give you 10 seconds to comment down below. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So if you guys have commented, then I will give you guys a heart. And now let's start mixing. And texture wise I really don't know कि क्या बनेगा क्योंकि इसमें बिंसू बीज स्लाइम है, इसमें जेली स्लाइम है, इसमें जिगली स्लाइम है एंड इसमें क्लाउड स्लाइम भी है जैसे कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं. So yeah, let's mix right now and let's see कि क्या कलर बनता है. I am actually really excited for this. Oh my god. Let's mix this. Oh my god. It's actually the biggest slime I have mixed, क्योंकि मैंने अपनी सारी स्लाइम्स को मिक्स किया है और इतनी सारी स्लाइम्स मैंने आज तक नहीं मिक्स किए हैं. So yeah, as you guys can see, I can't really tell which texture is this, but the color is pretty pink, I guess, in between pink and purple. So yeah, as you guys can see, this is actually super bubbly, I guess because of the jiggly slime. This looks super good, like it has such a pretty marble effect. Oh my god. So let's take this out and let's mix this again. So let's mix it on the desk. It is looking pretty cute actually. It is looking like a unicorn slime. Oh my god, I am so excited. This looks super good and I am not disappointed. I thought this would turn brownish bad color. Really, जब YouTuber slimes mix करते हैं तो वो बहुत गंदे गंदे color के आ जाते हैं. But mine is, oh my god, it is pretty cute and it is looking like a unicorn slime and a cotton candy slime at the same time. So I don't know. So the slime is actually pretty nice, so amazing. I don't even want to mix it anymore. This is like super cool lavenderish marble shade and I really don't want to mix it. This looks super good. Oh my god. So fantastic. That's it for today's video. I hope you really love this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already and please give video 700 likes. This is the like goal, so please like this video and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.